Part 2 is now. Do you remember last time I did part 1, going in public doing car noises? Now it's part 2, and I'm going in public shirtless and making car noises. So let's get this doing, guys. Wait, what did I leave the door open? Well, guys, it's still hot. Part 2, guys, part 2. Part 2. So, guys, I'm done now. Yeah, I'm done. I'm going inside. So far, so good. Nobody didn't see me shirtless. Oh, what the frick? Wait, why is the door locked? Is the door locked? Oh no. Dude, the door's locked. Dude, the door's locked. Oh man. Don't worry, this always happens. I can just get in the back door. This is so annoying. Every time the door locks itself when I'm outside. Hi. Every time I go back. Part 3, guys. Like and subscribe. Comment down below.